people, wagwan, welcome to my channel. Yeah, you don't know Ricky T the writer, so I know, so we are go up on the road here now. You see it? So I'm going to give you a look at tour. I'm going to leave from my place right here, so in a Hornet Garden jungle. And we are go at the airport. I'm going to pick up my baby mother from the airport. So people, I'm going to show you the journey from right here, so we saw me there, to reach the airport in Jamaica, Norman Malley International Airport. Yeah, so people, stay tuned to the vlog, watch what I go on. You don't know me there. People, see driver there. We stop at the gas station. We stop at Texaco, where I get some gas. Driver say if him not get one of them, him can't drive. Him can't drive without one of them. Magnum. People, anybody wanna know Magnum, and it is Jamaican. See the product of Jamaica. Yeah, Magnum tonic wine. Let me see how much percent alcohol. 16.5% alcohol. People don't follow the driver and drink and drive. 16.5% alcohol in it. That with the time lapse. But this now me not record normal with the GoPro normal. Yeah, me just attack normal for the GoPro. Yes, so people with the writer, so what them call writer, so yeah, with the on the bypass, the bypass we go Harborview roundabout. Yeah, with the on the bypass we go Harborview roundabout, Jamaica. And you can see the sea over there, so that's the Caribbean Sea. People don't mind the wind, I wouldn't for wind at the way. I'm blowing at the car because the windows don't wind down. Carry with them wind down, so whole heap of breeze in the camera. Alright people, we are reached down to the iconic roundabout where you did have a Air Jamaica plain tail, but them no longer have it there because
construction are going. As I can see, construction are going on the roundabout. Don't know what it will look like when it finish, but you know, at Jamaica, this we look about Utalava. You know, everything we are doing, put our best in it, right? So with the power we are seeing, we are going to the airport. Norman Manley International Airport. That is it. People, may I go take a look to the left and show another hangar. May I go take a look to the left and show another hangar where them repair the plane. That is it over there. And piece of Bob Marley movie shoot right over there. You can see the triangle hangar in a Bob Marley movie. The triangle hangar there in the background. Way over the background. Yeah, people. This is Norman Manley International Airport. Kingston, Jamaica. Yeah. That is it. The airport was named after one of our hero, them Norman Manley. People, welcome to Jamaica. So people, me there at the airport same way. Away from Sasha, me there at the depart, the arrival there. Me there at the arrival section away from same way. Me and Ricardo sitting here, I'm there to see madam. We're there right at Norman Manley International Airport, Kingston, Jamaica. So people, we're there at the KFC in Harborview now. Yeah, I just get my mother from the airport, so we stop at the KFC at Harborview. Couple years ago, Harborview never have a KFC. Now them have one, and them have Pizza Hut over there. So I think them have Burger King over to the other side around there. So yeah, man, Harborview. Yeah, people of Jamaica, this. Harborview. The reason why it's called Harborview, you can view the harbour. If you look over the horizon, people, me try to get a zoom. Yeah, that's the Caribbean Sea right there. So that is the Caribbean Sea. Kingston, Jamaica. right now, we're back in a downtown Kingston. This is downtown Kingston, people. And the building here on the left hand side is the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Them responsible all overseas affairs with Jamaica. Down there you will see the Bank of Nova Scotia. Yeah, that is the Bank of Nova Scotia. Right there, that tall building there on your left hand side. This is downtown Kingston. And we are taking a left turn. That is the Bank of Jamaica. Yeah, that is BOJ, Bank of Jamaica. That is it. And over on the right hand side in front of the Bank of Jamaica, you'd have the Jamaica Conference Center. Sorry, I'm gonna get for sure another part. This is BOJ Backgate. And this is the waterfront. Kingston waterfront. Jamaica Conference Center on your right hand side. Coming up, that is the Rock Hotel. Rock, not the Rock, just Rock. R-O-K, Rock. Victoria Pier. On a Sunday night down here, full. You can't even find space to park. Victoria Pier. This is the waterfront, people. The waterfront. And we're going to pass the right there you call Flag Back. Them call it that because I don't know history. This is the waterfront. And we're coming to the Kingston Craft Market. This is the Kingston Craft Market. Yeah, people, that is the Kingston Craft Market. And now, Kingston Craft Market parking. And next door to the Kingston Craft Market, you have 14B. Right there, the party them keep all the hot Jamaican boat ride. Keep our them party on the dock. This is Kingston. This is Newport East. Yeah, right here is called Newport East, a commercial district in Kingston. You would have just factories and warehouses. Newport East, Kingston, Jamaica. Coming up. The driver almost break the stoplight. Yeah, people, this is Marcus Garvey Drive. Marcus Garvey is one of Jamaica's national heroes. Jamaica have 7 national heroes. Marcus Garvey Drive. People, this is Jamaica. That is the power grid, JPS power grid. And the driver broke the stoplight and the police is there on the left hand side. Police busy. Alright, people, this is Jamaica. Now we're approaching Tivoli Gardens, Tivoli Community and Tivoli Gardens High School. This is the back of Tivoli Gardens. The back of Tivoli Gardens. Across the road I have the high school. Sorry I don't get a chance to show you the high school. But this is Tivoli Gardens, and above the high school I have the cemetery, Maypen Cemetery. Right at this section of the cemetery called Little Dovecote. This is downtown Nowhere on Spanish Town Road. People, please don't follow the driver and break the stoplight or the stop sign. It's a serious offense under the Road Traffic Act in Jamaica, and the driver is a taxi man. That's how they drive sometimes. Not all of them, some of them. Some of them. That's why they have a lot of tickets. Thanks for watching.